Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Projects. In this video I'm going to show you how to pull or import any Android project from GitHub into your Android Studio. I also show you after pulling where is the Java and layout files, because when you import first time it will be little difficult to find it. So watch this video till end and hit the like button and subscribe my channel for latest updates. So let's start. Now for pulling a project, first open your Android Studio. It opened my previous one project, so I just cancel it. Now this type of screen is visible. Now click on the third option, which is checkout from version control. Now select Git from here. Now here you can see the URL is empty. You have to just paste the URL of Android project from GitHub. I will show you to do with my project. I open my GitHub account and you can see this is my GitHub repo and this is my Android project. And the name of the project is login app. So for copy the URL, just click on the top and copy this. The procedure for copy URL is same for every project on GitHub, so it is very easy. Now just paste this URL and click on clone. Now you can see it start importing a project. Now click on yes and our project is imported successfully. Now I show you where is the Java files. Click on the name of the project. Make sure on the top of the project is selected. If you select Android here, the layout will be same as the normal projects, but if you select project here, the layout little bit different. So I show you how to open Java and layout files from the project option also. So now click on app, now click on src, then main, then Java, then com, and then example. Here is the project name which is set by user and uploading on GitHub. Here you can see the all Java files. Now for layout file, just click on res and click on layout. Now I want to tell one of the most important thing. When I open layout file, this show me an error. It opens but it show a error. So don't take tension about it. This is the minor error. If someone uploaded project correctly, then it is going to working fine and you don't face any difficulty. The error is due to the difference in the version of the project and the Android Studio. But this project work perfect with this error also. I will show you. I just build an APK file of this project. And you can see the APK file is successfully created with this error. So hopefully guys you understand everything. If there is any query, comment down below. Thank you.